Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can find saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 10 operating system. So for finding saved password on Windows 10, all you need to do, you have to open the run. So for opening the run, you have to click on Windows R button, then this type of a dialog box will open, which means the run program will open. Here you need to write here ncpa dot cpl. Okay, ncpa dot cpl, then you have to click on OK. Then this network connections window will open. Here we will find an option called Wi-Fi. So now you need to do is click the right button of your mouse, then you have to go to status. Okay, then you have to do you will see some options on wireless properties. So here, as you can see, that they are showing me the speed of my Wi-Fi. So all you need to do, you need to go to wireless properties, then this type of a dialog box will open. Then you need to go to security. So if you want to click here, is this is your password. As you can see, this is our password. If you show the characters, then the password will show. So for example, if I go to wireless properties again, then I'm going to security again. If I click on show password, as you can see, the password is now visible. So this is how you can find the saved Wi-Fi passwords on Windows 10 operating system. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.